Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover the most important topics of cloud computing. This is the deployment models of cloud computing. Here are the contents to understand in this video. So basically, the deployment model access to a shared pool of computer resources in the cloud. You simply need to request additional resources when you require them. Getting resources up and running quickly is a breeze thanks to the cloud. It is possible to release resources that are not longer necessary. This method allows you to just pay for what you use. Your cloud provider is change of your upkeep. Cloud deployment model function as a virtual computing environment with a deployment architecture that varies depending on the amount of data you want to store and who has access to the infrastructure. Second one is the types of deployment models. Most cloud hubs have tens of thousands of server and storage devices to enable fast loading. It is often possible to choose a geographic area to put the data closer to users. Thus, deployment models for cloud computing are categorized based on their locations. To know which model would best fit the requirements of your organization, let us first learn about the various types. First, public cloud. Second, private cloud. Third, community cloud. And fourth one is hybrid cloud. There are the types of cloud computing deployment models. The public cloud is one in which cloud infrastructure services are provided over the internet to general people or major industry groups. The infrastructure in the cloud model is owned by the entity that delivers the cloud services, not by the consumer. It is a type of cloud hosting that allows customers and users to easily access systems and services. This form of cloud computing is an excellent example of cloud hosting in which service providers supply services to a variety of customers. In this arrangement, storage backup and retrieval services are given for free as a subscription or on a per user basis. For example, Google App Engine, etc. This is a diagram of public cloud. The advantages of public cloud model is the minimal investment, no setup cost, infrastructure management is not required, and no maintenance. The last one is dynamic scalability. And the disadvantage of public cloud model is less secure and low customization. The second one is private cloud. The private cloud deployment model is the exact opposite of the public cloud deployment model. It's a one-on-one environment for a single user. There is no need to share your hardware with anyone else. The distinction between private and public cloud is in how you handle all the hardware. It is also called the internal cloud and refer to the availability to access system and services within a given border of organization. The cloud platform is implemented in a cloud-based secure environment that is protected by powerful firewalls and under the supervision of an organization. In IT department, the private cloud gives greater flexibility of control over cloud. You are keen to know what a private cloud can do. Companies that look for cost efficiency and greater control over data and resources will find the private cloud a more suitable choice. It means that it will be integrated with your data center and managed by your IT teams. Alternatively, you can also choose to host it externally. The private cloud offers bigger opportunities that help meet specific organization requirements when it comes to customization. It's also a wise choice for mission critical process that may have frequently changing requirements. This is a diagram of private cloud, and the advantage of private cloud model is to the better control, data security and privacy, supports legacy systems and the customization. And the disadvantage of private cloud model is less scalable and very high costly. The third point is community cloud. The community cloud operates in a way that is similar to the public cloud. There is just one difference. It allows access to a only specific set of users who share common objectives and use cases. This type of deployment model of cloud computing is managed and hosted internally or by a third-party vendor. However, you can also choose a combination of all three. It allows system and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. It is a distributed system that is created by integrating the services of different cloud to address the specific needs of community, industry, or business. The infrastructure of the community cloud could be shared between the organization which has shared concerns or tasks. It is generally managed by a third party or by the combination of one or more organizations in the community. Here are the diagram of community cloud. The advantages of community cloud model is very cost effective, high security, shared resources, and the collaboration and data sharing. The disadvantage of community cloud model is limited scalability and rigid in customization. So the organization can move data and application between different cloud using a combination of two or more cloud deployment methods depending on their needs. This is a diagram of hybrid cloud. The advantages of hybrid cloud model is high flexibility and control, low cost, and the high security. And the disadvantage of hybrid cloud model is difficult to manage and slow data transmission. Here are the some questions based on deployment model of cloud computing. So first one is, which deployment model is best for sharing infrastructure among several organizations? First option is private cloud, second protected cloud, third community cloud, and fourth one is hybrid cloud. So the correct answer is community cloud. Second question is, what is the primary characteristic of a public cloud model? First option is exclusive to one more organization. Second one is accessible over the internet by the general public. Third option is combines local and cloud resources. The fourth option is shared by organization with common interest. The correct option is accessible over the internet by the general public. Third question is, in a private cloud, who is responsible for maintaining the infrastructure? First option is the cloud service provider. Second one is the general public. Third one is a specific organization. And the last option is a shared group of organization. The correct option is C, a specific organization. Fourth question is, what is the main benefit of using a hybrid cloud model over a purely private or public cloud? The option is increased data privacy, enhanced control over resources, the reduced security risk, greater flexibility and scalability. The correct option is D, greater flexibility and scalability. Fifth question is, what is the key disadvantage of a private cloud model compared to a public cloud? Option is limited access control, high cost for maintenance and infrastructure. Third one is low data security. The last option is limited scalability. The correct option is B, high cost for maintenance and infrastructure. Question number 6. Which deployment model requires an on-premises setup combined with a cloud provider? The option is private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. The correct option is hybrid cloud. Seventh question is, what is a major security advantage of using a private cloud over a public cloud? Option is exclusive data access and control, higher scalability, lower cost, and the easier resources sharing. So the correct answer is exclusive data access and control. Next question is, what is one of the major challenges of using a hybrid cloud model? Option is lack of scalability, high latency, complex integration and management, the lack of data security. The correct option is complex integration and management. Question number 9. What is the primary advantage of using a public cloud model over other deployment models? So the option is exclusive access. Second one is reduced cost due to shared infrastructure. Third one is higher security control. And the fourth option is ease of customization. The correct option is B. Reduced cost due to shared infrastructure. And the last question is which deployment model provides on-demand resources with minimal infrastructure investment for a smaller organization? First option is private cloud, second is public cloud, third is hybrid cloud, and the last option community cloud. So the correct option is B, public cloud. Thank you.